Welcome, today I'm with Razer Hammerhead True Wireless earphones and I will show you how you can turn on or turn off gaming mode in this earphones. So we got two methods. The first one, we can use the Audio Razer application. It will start from this screen, and here you get this small switcher where you can turn on or turn off the gaming mode by tapping, just like that. You can also make it by using this touch control. So to use the gaming mode, we have to simply click and hold 3 times and then hold the last tap for the 3 seconds. So take a look. 1, 2, 3, click and hold. And as you can see, the gaming mode is turned on. To turn it off, just do the same. 1, 2, 3 and hold for the 2 seconds the last tap. And the normal mode is turned on. So that's how we can make it, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.